Hi, thanks so much for joining us again. I'm Tommy, and I am the writer of the book, The Explorational Journeys, Part 1, and the Self Help Guide. We're almost at the end of this chapter of The Courage is about letting go of fear, and we're taking action with courage through these activities. So we're at activity 8, and it's gratitude for courage. Goal: celebrating your bravery and its important and impact on your life. Steps: reflect on the moments in your life when you've shown great courage. Step 2: write a gratified letter to yourself, thanking yourself for taking the brave action. Step 3: keep your letter as a reminder of your strength. Reflection: how does gratitude for the past courage inspire you to take bravely into the future? So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and it would be great to hear how you've been going with these activities.